Assalamu Alaikum. Let's learn Islam with fun. Bismillah, let's start.
Kids, you know that when a child reaches 7 years old, parents should encourage them to pray Salah?
Mom, we don't know how to pray yet.
Can you teach us? Of course! Today I will teach you how to pray Salah step by step. Before Salah, we must perform Wudu. If you don't know how to perform Wudu, watch our previous video where we explain Wudu step by step. Now we are ready for Salah. Say Bismillah and make the intention in your heart that you are about to pray.
Bismillah.
The prayer begins with takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
Now we stand respectfully before Allah, reading Sana.
Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika.
While standing, we recite Surah Al-Fatiha. Now we bow in ruku and glorify Allah. After ruku, we stand up straight again and thank Allah. Sajda is a special moment when we are very close to Allah. Now we sit briefly before the second sajda.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Now we perform the second sajda. At the end of the prayer, we sit and recite tashahhud. Ashhadu Allah ilaha
Illallah.
Great job, kids! Now you know the basic steps of Salah. But there is one more important thing. Each prayer has a different number of rakahs.
How can we learn the rakahs? If you don't know the rakahs of each prayer,
watch our previous rakahs video on Deen's Kids, where we explain them step by step. Prophet Muhammad taught us that Salah is the first deed a person will be asked about. That is why we should pray every day.
We will do our best to pray Salah.
Kids, Allah loves us very much. When we pray Salah and thank Allah, Allah be pleased with us and can help us enter Jannah. Who wants to go to Jannah?
Me! I want to go to Jannah.
Keep practicing your prayers every day. Let's learn Islam together and teach others too, so we can all strive for Jannah and meet our beloved Prophet Muhammad with joy and honor. See you next time on Deen Toons Kids!